Did you know that Algeria is the largest country in Africa? It is located in the Maghreb region, and is bordered by Morocco to the west, Tunisia and Libya to the east, Niger to the south, and Mali, Mauritania, and Morocco to the southwest. Algeria has an area of 2,381,741 square kilometers, 923,000 square miles. The highest point is Mount Kilia, which is 2,328 meters, 7,638 feet, tall. Did you know that Chad is a landlocked country located in Central Africa? It is bordered by Libya to the north, Sudan to the east, the Central African Republic to the south, Cameroon and Nigeria to the southwest, Niger to the west. Chad is a large country, with an area of 1,284,000 square kilometers, 496,000 square miles. The highest point is Emikusi, which is 3,415 meters, 11,204 feet, tall. Chad also has over 1,000 kilometers, 620 miles, of coastline on Lake Chad, the largest lake in Africa. Did you know that Egypt is a country located in northern Africa? It is bordered by Libya to the west, Sudan to the south, and the Mediterranean Sea to the north. Egypt is a land of deserts, mountains, and the Nile River. The Nile River is the longest river in the world. It flows through the center of Egypt and provides water for irrigation and drinking. The Sahara Desert covers most of the land in Egypt. The Sinai Peninsula is located in the east of Egypt and is separated from the rest of the country by the Suez Canal. Did you know that Libya is the fourth largest country in Africa? It is located in North Africa and is bordered by Egypt to the east, Sudan to the southeast, Chad and Niger to the south, Algeria to the southwest, and Tunisia to the northwest. Libya is a large country, with an area of 1,759,540 square kilometers, 679,750 square miles. The highest point is Bikabidi, which is 2,870 meters, 9,420 feet, tall. Libya also has over 1,700 kilometers, 1,100 miles, of coastline on the Mediterranean Sea. Did you know that Mali is a large, landlocked country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Algeria and Mauritania to the north, Burkina Faso and Niger to the east, Côte d'Ivoire and Guinea to the south, and Senegal to the west. Mali is a large country, with an area of 1,240,192 square kilometers, 479,226 square miles. The highest point is Hambori Tanda, which is 1,155 meters, 3,789 feet, tall. Mali is also home to the Sahara Desert, which covers over two-thirds of the country. Did you know that Mauritania is the 11th largest country in Africa? It is located in northwest Africa and is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean to the west, Western Sahara to the north and northwest, Algeria to the northeast, Mali to the east and southeast, and Senegal to the southwest. Mauritania is a large country, with an area of 1,030,700 square kilometers, 400,000 square miles. The highest point is Kidiat Igil, which is 915 meters, 3,002 feet, tall. Mauritania is also home to the Sahara Desert, which covers over 90% of the country. Did you know that Morocco is a country located in northwest Africa? It is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean to the west, the Mediterranean Sea to the north, Algeria to the east and southeast, and Western Sahara to the south. Morocco is a medium-sized country, with an area of 710,850 square kilometers, 274,460 square miles. The highest point is Mount Toubkal, which is 4,167 meters, 13,671 feet, tall. Morocco is also home to the Atlas Mountains, which divide the country into two distinct regions, the north and the south. Did you know that Niger is a country located in West Africa? It is bordered by Libya to the north, Algeria to the northwest, Mali to the west, Burkina Faso and Benin to the south, and Chad to the east. Niger is a large country, with an area of 1,267,000 square kilometers, 489,000 square miles. The highest point is Mont Bagzane, which is 2,022 meters, 6,634 feet, tall. Niger is also home to the Sahara Desert, which covers over two-thirds of the country. Did you know that Sudan is the third largest country in Africa? It is located in northeast Africa and is bordered by Egypt to the north, the Red Sea to the northeast, Eritrea and Ethiopia to the east, South Sudan to the south, the Central African Republic to the southwest, Chad to the west and Libya to the northwest. Sudan has a diverse landscape, with deserts, mountains, and savannas. The highest point in Sudan is Jebel Mara, which is 3,088 meters, 10,131 feet, tall. The country is also home to the White and Blue Nile rivers, which meet in Khartoum to form the main Nile River. Did you know that Tunisia is a country located in North Africa? It is bordered by Algeria to the west, Libya to the southeast, and the Mediterranean Sea to the north and east. Tunisia is a medium-sized country, with an area of 163,610 square kilometers, 63,170 square miles. The highest point is Jebel Chami, which is 1,544 meters, 5,066 feet, tall. Tunisia is also home to a long coastline on the Mediterranean Sea, as well as several large lakes, including Lake Shat El Jared,